Welcome back to another video. So in this video, what you will learn is creating a moving parts. So move parts and X continuously, and then move parts up and down, expand part in the left and right, then expand part in left side only and right side only, then the spinning parts. So let's start. As you can see here, I have a lot of parts. So first, what we are going to do is group these parts using tag editor. So plugins, tag, create a name for that group. So move X. After creating name, we will select the parts that will be included to that group. So check. As you can see here, in server storage, we have tag list, move X. So now we will create our script. I will rename my script to move X. So delete the default. So now what we are going to do is create our collection service variable. So if you don't understand collection service or tag editor, I have another video for that. You can watch it if you want. So game get service, collection service. Next is the twin service. Twin service is equals to game get service twin service. So after this, we will create a variable for our tag list. So local move X collection service get tag and then the name of our tag list, which is the move X. So name should spell right. So next, we will create our target, which direction we want our part to move. So for now, we want it to move it to X. So I'm gonna put a value here, the 0, 0. So after that, we will create a variable for the position. Since we want it to go back and forth, equals a table. So after that, we will create now our function. Call function move X function. First, we will create our twin info. So local twin info is equals twin info dot new. Then enter. Later on, I will explain what's happening inside this twin info. So enum style. Enum is in style. Enum is in direction. Just out. And then we will put it 0. Then through Wait, change this to false first. And then 1. So I will explain it later, what this number does. So now we are going to look for all parts in MoveX. So for all part in I pairs MoveX. If not original part, only position part, then original position part, and then now we will create our initial position. Initial position is equal to original position part. And the part. After that, we will create a variable for our target. Which is initial position plus target position or initial position. And then create the twin, local twin equals to twin service, create first the part that will represent all parts inside the MoveX that are included in the MoveX. So part will represent the MoveX parts. So next, we will call the twin info that we created. Twin info here. Twin info. And then create a variable position which is equal to target. And then twin play. So now we will call our function. MoveX function. Let's run the script. So as you can see, it is now moving. But this is not the behavior that we want. So let's go back to the script. And then the number 10 here is the animation on how long do you want the animation to go. And in this is the style and the direction. So this number here, the 0, is do you want to keep it going? Yes for -1 and no for 0. So now let's change this to -1 and then run the script. So as you can see here, it is now moving. And then it teleport, which is not also our ideal behavior. So let's go back to the script. So now here, change this to true. So what happened here is if you want to go back to start after ending the animation, true if yes, false if no. So since we want it to go back and forth, we will set it to true. So now let's run the script. So as you can see here, this is the behavior that we want. So it will now go back and forth, go to x, negative x, and then go back to x. So now we successfully achieved what we want. So for here, the number is just the starting time of the animation. So if I put 5, let's start. And then go back. Then after that, it will wait 5 seconds before it will move again. So as you can see here, so the number here, how long do you want? Style and direction. And then do you want to keep it going? 0 or 1? 0. And then you want to start, you want to go back to start after ending? True if yes, false if no. And then the starting time. So that's how you create your twin info. So if you learned something in this video, press the like button and subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, leave a comment down below. That's all for this video. Thank you. See you in the next one.